Hello guys, today I'm here to review this newly launched Wink Vive truly wireless earphone. So this is the box which I have received from Flipkart on with the introductory price of 1500 rupees. They have launched it and I have already done the unboxing. I'll show you how the charging case looks like. So this is the charging case of the TWS. Okay, and it has a front indicator light. It has a front indicator light which gives you an idea what what is the battery's capacity in it. And also backside there is a Type C charging cable port. That's a very good thing that it has a Type C port which compatible with your all mobile phones. Now I'll show you how the buds are. So these are the buds which I have been using it from last one day, and the bud design are almost similar to Anchor, Soundcore, Life Note. It's almost same design, but build quality that was much better than this. This is inferior plastic have been used, so it's not a sturdy quality materials which they have given. So it may happen that after you it fall from your ears for 2 3 times it may break, and there are also indicator light on it. Okay, the build quality of this charging case also very weak plastic. It's not a sturdy plastic, so this also can break or damage if you fall too much times. And this opening lid is also uh, it's not a magnetic one. It has a lock system. You need to press to lock it. So in the box there are three additional tips given, which as per your ear fittings you can fit into. But I don't think this is that snag fit option. That build is in such a way that you can't get into a snag fit. So it will fall if you do jogging and workout. It will fall. It will not stay. It is just for comfortable sitting and talking is ideal for it, and you can listen, and yeah, you can sleep with wearing it also. Yeah, it won't give a pain. That's all because of the lightweight and soft design. It will not give you pain on either of the ears. That's the one of the positive here. Okay, I have been testing out the sound quality, call quality, and overall touch responses. Everything I have done. So let's go one way. I'll talk about the touch. It's fully touch control, and it has all the options from power on off to play pause to take up the calls and reject the calls, voice assistants, and even volume increase decrease options. And they have already given the in the manuals already, and it works smooth flawlessly. That's a very good one. The touch response is very good. And if I have to talk about the sound quality, it doesn't have AAC codec, but it's only SBC codec. Although it's a SBC codec, but it does a decent job. It not does a heavy bass doesn't have produce doesn't heavy bass, but it has a crystal clear audio, and trebles are smooth, high mids are all visible. Yeah, lows are somewhat not that visible, but that's quite impressive. Yeah. And if I talk about call quality is good because the main point of prime focus of this TWS is it has two mics in it, and I am shooting this entire video from this earphone mic only, so you'll be able to understand how the call qualities are and how the some audio comes up. Okay, so it is ideal for if you are only going to sit in the house and take calls. It's absolutely an ideal earphones with such a cheap budget. So in outdoor condition I think it's risky to take out because you don't know where it will fall on, because I am feeling it will fall on anytime anywhere, so it's so easy to come out, so better to use for indoor only. So I'll recommend this for those who are in house and wanted to have a hands-free call that support. It's suitable for them. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.